What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey. What's happening, loves? Welcome. I'm your girl, Tonyanicole, and welcome to my channel. Today, loves, we have Lashybox on the platter. Yeah, this is July's box. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Lashybox, y'all stay right there. It won't be long. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As I said in the intro, I am Tonyanicole, and thank you guys so much for clicking that button and watching this video with your girl. Today we're going to be doing Lashybox, one of my favorites, and this will be a very short video, guys. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Now let's get some specs on this little box right here, baby, and unbox her. So this is Lashybox. This is just their regular little subscription. This is an eyelash and beauty subscription. You're going to get 4 pairs of lashes in here, beauty tools, makeup, all kinds of stuff, really, for just $13.99 each month. I know this is steal. Also, they have a variety of boxes. They have the magnetic lash box, they have a soft glam box, they have a dramatic box, they have an XL box. They have a lot. So I will have a link down below if you guys want to check them out. This is one of my favorite subscriptions, and I am ready to get it open, baby. Let me go in and cut her, and let's go in and get this baby unboxed. All right. Ooh, okay. That's what we're looking like on the inside. All right, we're going to do the lashes first. All right. So first up, we have from Ruby May, and these are the premium 3D lashes in the style Eclipse, and that's what she is looking like. These are very natural. I would probably use these like for work or like dating or drinking, but yeah, these are very natural but still very pretty. And I do love Ruby May's lashes. Their band have gotten smaller, so they're easier to work with, and I appreciate that a lot. Then we also have from Ruby May these in the style Jessie right here. I really do like these. These are more of what I like to see. Long, wispy lashes. Love it. Then we have from Ruby May again, these in Cosmic, and these are definitely my favorites. They are gorgeous. Look at that. Simply beautiful. I love them. Love them. And then our last pair is from Lashybox, and these are the Allure lashes. And this, I don't have to even say anything. Y'all already know what it is. I love them. Dramatic, full, just like I like it. Perfect. Moving on along. Now, I will try to find prices for these products, guys. If I don't, y'all will know. I won't put in the video. All right, guys. So next we have from Pixi. This is the Plump Collagen Boost right here. And it says Instant Smoothing and Plumping Effect Sheet Mask. Collagen and peptides help improve and maintain skin's elasticity, promoting firmer, healthier looking skin. So it's a youth infusion mask. Okay, I am definitely happy to see this in the box. I love it. And then we have from Floss, and this is a lip gloss in JFK. All right, let's open her up and see. Ooh, beautiful. Love it. And I am gonna swatch this. Ooh, it smells like cake. Oh my God, that's the applicator. Oh, y'all, it smells like cake. Ooh, it's a pretty color. Look at that. Mixed with some good old brown lip liner. Girl, oh yeah. Beautiful. Oh, I love this. That's cute. I love this. Okay, all right. I love a lip gloss, and I love a tinted like gloss. It just adds a little something to your mouth. And then last but not least, we have a palette. And this is from Bella Pierre. It is a highlighting and bronzing palette in the shades Beam, Spectacular, Aura, and Starlight. Let's open it. Oop, my little plastic thing fell off. We do get a mirror. Hey, boo. All right, and let me try to hide this so it don't blind y'all. And these are the colors right here. Gorgeous, gorgeous palette. Beautiful bronzing shade, highlighting shades. I definitely can work with that one. I love it. Beautiful. Okay, all right. See, I told y'all this was going to be a very short video, y'all. So that was our final product. We're going to quickly recap, and then we're going to do final thoughts, and we'll be done. So we received from Bella Pierre this beautiful bronzing and highlighting palette. From Floss, this lip gloss right here. From Pixie, this collagen face mask. 3 pairs of lashes from Ruby May. And 1 pair from Lashybox. So these 7 products are right here, my loves. And my final thoughts on this Lashybox was I absolutely adored it. I thought it was a great box. I love the variety of lashes that they gave us. I love the lip color, beautiful. I can always use a collagen mask to firm up this neck and eyes and stuff. The Bella Pierre palette is gorgeous. So once again, Lashybox hit it out the park. They're definitely a winner chicken dinner in my book. So let me know down below, guys, what your thoughts are. Let me know if you are subscribed to this box. If not, tell me why. I know a lot of y'all don't like lashes, but I think if y'all keep trying, it took me a long time, y'all, a long time. But you keep trying, I think you get better. What y'all think? Absolutely. So that is all that I have for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. Lashybox's link will be down in the description. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are linked down below as well. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Yes, so that's all I have, my loves. I will see you all in the comments and on my next video. Enjoy your day and talk to you soon. Bye.